Hey y'all, it's Jess. Getting ready to prepare henna for my hair. You can see the months of roots growing in. I cut it again recently, so I'm holding my bangs back. So I'm gonna try to be succinct and walking through this step by step. I've never done this before, but luckily I have great humans in my corner. So the henna, we're going with natural red. For the product agent it into becoming not a powder, that's what it is. You can use apple cider vinegar, lemon juice. I'm going with the old apple cider vinegar. You'll need a bowl, preferably glass, because it might stain plastic, I've been told. I've got a glass mason jar, so I'm going to do my mixing of my liquids, measuring cup, tablespoon, measuring spoons, stirring device. I'm going to use a spoon and a fork to whisk and also get all the clumps out of there. These ingredients need to sit for 12 hours or more. So I'm doing this night before. Okay, so we're doing 16 ounces, 2 cups of water per package, along with 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar per 2 cups of water. So 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar, which is the one I'm using. It may be different for the other ones. 2 cups of water, 1 package of henna. When you are getting your water, room temperature or cold water is best. Oh man, is it gonna fit? That's not good. I'm gonna need a bigger jar. Okay, my blender is your game. I'm making interesting mistakes so you don't have to. All right, so I'm doing 2 batches of henna, even though my hair's kind of short, just to be sure I'm getting it all in. 4 cups of water, and I'm about to measure my apple cider vinegar, 1 ounce per 2 cups of water. 2 tablespoons equals 1 liquid ounce. Okay, why did I put them in jars, you ask? You have to stir it in a bowl, because I want to have a nice concoction before I put in the bowl. So here's what I did. I had to up my bowl game and use the plastic, even though it might stain a bit because it's like a hard plastic, so I don't know. My glass bowl was simply too small. I've got my apple cider vinegar jars shaken up, ready to go, and I'm going to add it to the mix. Instructions come inside the packet. I didn't get that far. I've been blowing up the ladies at Morrocco method, and they have been quite kind in walking me through step by step. So we're just gonna add little bits at a time. So we're just gonna keep adding, keep stirring in. The goal is getting rid of all the clumps. Here's what it's looking like. Pretty smooth. There's still a few clumps in there I'm gonna work out, but I just wanted to share. So I'm just gonna get these final few clumps out. I added maybe a 1/4 cup, not even. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and leave it for 8 to 12 hours. We'll update you more tomorrow.